While cryptocurrency is witnessing growth and expansion, a need for holding crypto assets is enhanced as well. Crypto wallets come to the rescue to store the private keys while keeping your crypto safe and accessible. Crypto Wallet is a program designed to act as a digital wallet for your crypto needs. This wallet helps transfer and keep cryptocurrency effortlessly. The security of the crypto wallet mainly depends on how the private key is stored. Essentially, the crypto wallets were created to be user-friendly, so that they can be controlled with the key, as happens in a bank locker. Most crypto wallets offer a graphical user interface that improves the ease of use for the crypto holder. Types of crypto wallets. Crypto wallets are of different types based on their workability. The crypto investor and entrepreneurial opportunist should understand the types to act better and access a suitable crypto wallet. Hardware wallets. The first type is hardware wallets. They are small devices that store the crypto offline. Furthermore, the user plugs in the hardware wallet via a USB port. All the signing and confirmations occur off of the computer, which makes this wallet more secure. However, its workability might be complex in comparison to the software wallets. Hardware wallets are known as cold storage due to the keys being kept offline. Software wallets. A software wallet is a mobile app or a computer program that holds the private keys online. One important pointer to consider is that software wallets are unique to cryptocurrency, while hardware wallets support multiple currencies. Software wallets are known as hot storage because the assets are kept online. Paper wallets. The paper wallet is another choice for a crypto wallet. It works by a single private key with a Bitcoin address, primarily written on a physical medium like paper and generated by a website. Paper wallets are not considered a safe way of holding your digital gold. Workability of crypto wallets. Without understanding the workability of crypto wallets, investing in cryptocurrency would be a bad idea. For this very reason, let us take the opportunity to inform the viewers how crypto wallets work and how to set up one. Wallets do not hold the crypto asset. Essentially, the blockchain keeps the coins, and the wallet software allows you to make transactions and interact with the balances present on the blockchain. It is mainly because blockchain is a public ledger that records all transactions in the form of blocks. The wallet stores the addresses and lets the owners move coins, and allows others to see the balance at a particular address. Each crypto wallet brings a unique idea to the surface. Most crypto wallets help send, receive, and store cryptocurrency. Other wallets assist in buying and spending cryptocurrency. Additionally, there are additional features associated with its usage. For instance, staking tokens for a fixed return, swapping between tokens, and accessing dApps. Sending and receiving funds from a crypto wallet would always be the primary role. To send the funds, the user needs to know the address of the receiving wallet. You should navigate to the send option from your wallet and insert the targeted address. Type away the amount of crypto and hit confirm. To receive the crypto coin, retrieve an address from your wallet. For starters, navigate to the generate address option in the wallet and launch it. Copy the alphanumeric address and share it with the person who intends to send you crypto. How to set up a crypto wallet. Setting up a crypto wallet doesn't need any rocket science. The user is expected to input the personal information and then set up a security password. Go through the two-step verification process, and there, the crypto wallet is all set. Here, an important thing to note is always remembering your security password and recording the private key in a safe place. If you lose it, accessing crypto would be impossible. What things to consider in an ideal crypto wallet? An ideal crypto wallet is accessed by doing a little research and keeping in view the user's priorities. However, we are here to offer you the factors that should be considered before getting into the process. Security. Every crypto wallet comes up with a range of security options, so one should consider what they are offering before investing your money in them. Transaction fee. Moreover, the transaction fee varies incredibly. The transaction cost can be reduced, which will lead to a slow transactional process. Therefore, you should know where your priorities lay. Crypto offerings. One major factor is cryptocurrencies. Most crypto wallets offer an extensive range of cryptocurrencies while others do not. It all comes down upon the user if he has to swap between the currencies more than often. Customer service. The crypto wallets may bring unforeseen problems related to transactional delay or response times. One requires a crypto wallet with good customer service, as it goes a long way. Therefore, review the level of support you would be getting before getting invested in a wallet. Conclusion. The market offers multiple crypto wallets. Electrum, Coinbase, Mycelium, Exodus, and Binance are some of the workable wallets at the moment. The crypto addicts are recommending to get the right call for a crypto wallet based on their needs.